At its core, the entire marketing process boils down to a two-way street. A business creates value for its customers, and by doing so, it captures value, or profit, in return. But there is a massive physical gap in that exchange. A perfectly engineered product sitting in a locked warehouse generates zero value for anyone. To bridge that gap, companies rely on a marketing channel. This is the interdependent set of organizations that actually make a product or service available for use or consumption. A business cannot simply manufacture goods and hope for the best. It has to actively engineer the physical and strategic pathway required to put those goods directly into the buyer's hands. The people and companies operating along this pathway are known as intermediaries. These are the independent partners participating in the delivery process. Intermediaries generally fall into three specific categories: merchants, agents, and facilitators. Each plays a distinct role. Merchants, like wholesalers and retailers, actually buy the product and take legal ownership. Agents negotiate sales on behalf of the manufacturer but never own the goods. And facilitators, like banks and independent transport fleets, assist in the background by handling the money and moving the boxes. These organizations act as the essential infrastructure that makes commercial scale possible. Without them, every factory would have to deliver every single item to every individual doorstep. Modern marketing channels rarely operate in a straight line. Instead, they form a complex value network, a dense web of shifting partnerships and alliances designed to source, augment, and deliver offerings. This flowchart maps 5 value streams connecting suppliers to customers. Top rows show tangible exchanges, physical flow of the product, and title flow transferring ownership. Parallel are intangible flows: payment, moving money up, information, traveling both ways, and promotion, pushing communications down. A successful delivery relies entirely on synchronizing the heavy logistics of physical freight with the invisible, rapid currents of data and capital. Historically, companies relied on multi-channel marketing, using separate channels to reach consumers, like a physical store and a website. The problem is those channels often operated in isolated silos. Today, the strategy has evolved into omnichannel marketing. Omnichannel is a multi-channel sales approach that provides the customer with a completely integrated, continuous shopping experience across all devices and locations. You can see this clearly in Amazon's physical retail spaces. They take digital data advantages, like vast product selection and real-time customer reviews, and integrate them directly into the physical benefits of highly personalized service and immediate in-store pickup. Modern consumers don't care about the back-end plumbing of a company's channel system. They demand the endless inventory of the internet, seamlessly combined with the tactile reliability of a brick-and-mortar store. To build these complex delivery systems, companies use a systematic 4-step framework called channel design. First, the firm analyzes target customer needs, like bulk discounts or spatial convenience. Second, it establishes clear channel objectives. Third, the company identifies channel alternatives and intermediaries. Finally, they evaluate these alternatives based on economic criteria and desired control. But even a perfectly designed system hits roadblocks. This is called channel conflict, the inevitable friction that occurs when the business goals of one intermediary undermine the goals of another partner in the network. Because of this friction, a marketing channel is never a set-and-forget pipeline. It is a highly competitive, living ecosystem that demands constant management, motivation, and alignment. The ultimate endpoint of modern channel design is the shift toward m-commerce, or mobile commerce. This approach places the entire storefront directly into the customer's pocket, keeping them continuously connected to the brand. This map illustrates a tactic driving m-commerce called geofencing. Geofencing is the use of a digital perimeter to trigger specific marketing actions, like sending a targeted coupon to a phone the exact moment a user physically enters a specific location. This hyper-targeted technology loops us right back to the original goal of marketing. The firm captures maximum value by delivering exactly what the consumer wants, precisely when and where they want it. Effective channel management delivers a frictionless, deeply integrated experience. It is the practice of engineering a system where value flows to customers with absolute precision.